Hi, this is Mike. Welcome to the Moodle development series. In this series, we will do some basic web development, and in order to do that, we'll need an IDE. So we'll install an IDE and set that up. We already have in the Moodle Project series, we went through the process of installing the LAMP stack and also Moodle. So we have a database that we can actually program against. So we'll maybe include a little bit of database connectivity and just displaying some basic queries on the page, the results of the queries on the page. And then, ultimately what we want to do is we want to do some Moodle development, just real basic blocks and possibly an activity. It just depends. The first thing we want to do is actually get an IDE, and we're going to use NetBeans. It's free. This one does what we need it to do and is fairly straightforward. Now we need to select which download, and obviously we want PHP. So PHP is included with this download, and it's also included, in addition to HTML5. And so if we wanted to get everything, all the Java, C++, Java EE, we could do this one, but really all we need is the PHP and HTML5 download. So we'll go ahead and download it, save the file. It'll take a little bit for it to finish. Okay, the download is complete. So we'll go ahead and just start installing. Accept the terms. Next. A 32-bit JDK is selected. For improved performance on your 64-bit system, please use a 64-bit version of Java. Download at. It gives you a link to download. I think I might have a 64-bit on this machine. So we'll go back to the program files, and there it is. We'll use it. Okay. So now we're going to install it under the 64-bit directory, program files, in the directory NetBeans 8.0. Check for updates. No, we won't do that now. This is going to take a little bit of time to install this. We'll just let it run, and when it's finished, we'll take a look at some of the basics of the IDE. Okay, setup is complete, and this is to launch the IDE. Use either the Start menu or the NetBeans desktop icon. To change and install components and add NetBeans plugins, use Plugin Manager. That is an integral part of the NetBeans IDE. Oh, by the way, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Contribute to the NetBeans project. We're going to click No on that. And then finish. So let's find start the IDE. Some of the Java-based IDEs are a little slow starting. Here we have our IDE, NetBeans IDE 8.0. The start page on the IDE is just similar to any other start page with lots of resources, tutorials, and here there's a featured demo. Wouldn't hurt to just read through some of this, just browse it. I think we'll stop right there on this, and then in our next session we will create a PHP project, connect to our Moodle database, and create a real basic PHP page and display the contents from the database. It should be real informative and will give us a little heads up before we actually get into the Moodle block. So that's it for now. We'll talk to you later. Bye.